Hi everybody and welcome to this episode of Beth's Best. Today we are at Disney's Beach Club Villas. We are in a deluxe studio. Let's check it out. Your home for room tours, guides, and reviews. New videos posted the first Friday of every month, so hit subscribe and the bell. Okay, so coming right into the room, you've got a door which is going to connect over to the one bedroom. Pretty much almost all of the studios here are lock-offs so that you can book it together with the one bedroom and make a two bedroom. I love the fact that when you come into the room, you get these little hooks, which is just a nice little touch. Otherwise, it's kind of a dead space. So you can put, your keys here, your magic band, whatever it is you don't want to forget as you walk out the door. Let's keep moving. Coming into the room, you've got this great little kitchenette. This is a staple in pretty much all of the DVC or Disney Vacation Club studios. And like all the studios, they're going to have the same similar amenities. You're going to have a microwave, you're going to have your full-size coffee pot, you're going to have a toaster. I like the fact these rooms were redone probably about a year and a half ago, 2 years ago now. And they gave you a larger fridge. And it's even got a little bit of a freezer shelf, which is great. The older ones were a little bit smaller. They didn't have that freezer shelf. You're not going to be able to fit a lot in there, but it's still nice to have, certainly. And then you've got your trash, and they give you a recycle bin as well. In the studios, since you don't have a dishwasher, they're not going to give you too much, but you do get some plates, bowls, glasses. You're going to have a couple of coffee mugs. So you're not making gourmet meals in these studios, but it's definitely enough to assist you while you're on your vacation if you want to make a quick snack or make a breakfast in the room. Let me show you the bathroom. Opposite the kitchen is going to be your bathroom area. Like pretty much all the studios, again, you're going to have a separate sink outside, and then you also have a door here which is going to have your toilet and your tub shower combo. I love the fact that you have this upgraded countertop here. It's nice and light and bright. You've got a makeup mirror, which is fantastic for when you're trying to get ready, and you have plenty of counter space as well. And you've got a small closet here. So if you've stayed at Boardwalk before, if you haven't, I will link my video for Boardwalk studios and one bedrooms above so that you can find it, and I'll also put the links below in the description. But this is the same exact floor plan as what you're going to have at Boardwalk. The resorts were built right around the same time period, just different finishes and different amenities. Let me show you the bathroom next. So now you've got your toilet, your standard tub shower combination, which you're going to have in these studios. I really like this light kind of color, saturated color blue that they did in these rooms. It's the same color throughout. Nothing too exciting in here, but it does feel nice and clean. Now, one of the things that people want to know about is those Disney toiletries. So not to worry, my friends, you are still going to get those standard Disney toiletries. They have not installed those mass dispensers yet. So for right now at Beach Club, you're going to still get those individual ones that you can use here or you can take home with you, totally up to you. So coming into the main living space of the room, same standard setup that you've seen before in the DVC studios. You've got a queen size bed here. Your couch is going to pull out into another, double size, just a little bit smaller than a queen size bed. So you're gonna be able to sleep 4 people here. And then you've also got a drop-down Murphy bed in this room. So that's going to be your 5th sleeping spot. So this is that 5th sleeper spot. This thing folds down beautifully, and then it folds right back up. So during the day when you are trying to actually use the room, you can just pop it back in and it's out of your way. And at night it just folds right down, super easy. You just push in a button and pull down the handle. It's awesome, very convenient. And then we're light on storage in this room. You do have a closet, and they also give you these small drawers here, but they're really not very deep and they're not very tall. That's not a lot of space, basically, is what I'm saying. So be aware of that if you're staying here. There is a little bit of storage space in the ottoman, but again, it's a little tiny drawers, so not super plush on the space when you're comparing to, say, Copper Creek, for example, which has tons of storage. So that's something to be aware of. Let me show you the balcony next. So here we are on the 4th floor. Our room doesn't have a fantastic view. Epcot is literally right there. There's just a road separating, some trees separating us from the back of the Canada Pavilion, basically. So the fun thing is, at night you can watch the fireworks at Epcot, and you can hear the bands and the music play, whatever the entertainment is over there. So that's really nice, even though you can't see anything. This is a standard balcony. At Beach Club, the balconies, some of them are like small Juliet balconies, some of them are more of the standard size balcony like what we have here, and then a couple of them have these really massive, large balconies. So that's something that you can request if a balcony matters to you. Make sure that you put in your room request for a full-size balcony. That way you can get something at least, you know, what you're used to if you've stayed at other resorts. If it doesn't matter to you, don't worry about it. But the views here are really not why you stay here. There are a couple of rooms here at Beach Club Villas that have great views, but a lot of them are basically overlooking kind of greenery like we are, or overlooking the pool. They don't have separate view categories here. So that's just something to be aware of. But really, why you stay at Beach Club is for the amenities. You are right next to Epcot, like fall out of bed and basically you're at the park. And you can also walk over to Hollywood Studios, or you can take a friendship boat. There's the traffic. A friendship boat over to Hollywood Studios if that's easier for you. And I have to tell you, when I checked into the room, I was a little bit, I thought that it was going to be a little bit nicer. I don't take that the wrong way. The resort is great, and I have since changed my mind. But after staying here a couple of days, I've realized that there are all these little kind of touches here at Beach Club that make it a premium experience. You get that amazing pool, Stormalong Bay, which is exclusive for guests of Beach Club and Yacht Club, and that thing is literally like a water park. You could spend the entire day there. If you have kids or don't have kids and you have somebody in your party who loves pools and wants to spend the whole day, this is going to be a good choice for you. But in the rooms, there's all these little touches. Like they give you Twinings tea, for example, in the kitchenette. They give you liquid coffee creamer. In the bathroom, the light and the exhaust fan, you know, the moisture fan, they're separate so that you can have one going but not the other, which a lot of resorts, they're combined. And they also have a water softener. If you've ever stayed at a hotel or you have one at home, a water softener, you know the difference before and after. And it's these little tiny luxury touches that they have here at Beach Club that make it such a premium experience and why people love it so much. So I am on a 10-day trip here. You guys know I'm here all the time, and I'm constantly bringing you room tours and restaurant reviews. So hit subscribe, hit the bell, that way you'll know when I put up my next video. But that's it for Beach Club. Thank you so much for watching. Hit subscribe, just do it right now, and I will see you again real soon. Bye-bye.